Today we're going to take a look at a couple different options for your 3rd Gen Tacoma cup holder. We have the factory cup holder, the AJT design, and the Z Precision. Just looking at the designs, the AJT appears to be a one-to-one for the factory, except it has bigger openings. The Z Precision, on the other hand, actually is deeper and angled. So we'll see when we put them in the truck what this actually does for you. All three of them should take the factory adapter, so it fits the AJT. Also fits in the Z Precision. Here's a look at the bottom of all three. The AJT, made in USA. Z Precision doesn't say where it's made, but they all look pretty good underneath. Here's a look at the side of each. You can see how much bigger the cup holder is here, and you can see how much taller the Z Precision is. Now I have several different size bottles here we're going to test. I'm going to start off with my Yeti can koozie. This doesn't even sit all the way down in the factory cup holder. Plenty of room in the AJT. Plenty of room in the Z Precision. This is a standard tumbler. That'll fit all three. This is my girlfriend's thermos. It also doesn't sit flat in the factory cup holder. More than enough room in the other two. This is my water bottle. Same problem. Plenty of room. Here we go with an Nalgene bottle. Not even going to start to fit. A little bit of room in the AJT. A little bit of room in the Z Precision. About the same amount of play. They both open it up about the same. Here's another big 40-ounce bottle. Same problem. Fits in both. Now we're going to take these two tall ones out to the truck and see what we get in height difference when we install each of the three. Now to install the new cup holder, you got to release this center console. You do that by removing the shift knob and then lifting up on the back of the center console. Once you pop it off, you can lift it up, rotate it, and then you can get to the screws for the cup holder. They're just Phillips head screws. And after removing the 6 Phillips head screws, the cup holder just slides right out the bottom. Okay, here's the AJT installed, and the heights of the bottles with it installed. When you put it in, it gets kind of tight at the front. You're going to want to pop in the back clips first to make sure this is flush, then the front clips. Here is the look of the AJT designs. Fits in there pretty good. It was definitely tighter getting the center console to pop back on though. Best part, the bottles go all the way down to the bottom. And here is the Z Precision installed. The bottles definitely sit a little bit lower, but they also sit at a little bit more of an angle. So you can reach in front and hit buttons easier. It is so big that smaller bottles are a little loose, but the AJT had the same issue. Here's a closer look at the fit and finish. Everything is a little tighter on the Z Precision, and the center console went in back place easier. You could clip the front and then the back. Well, at the time of filming, the AJT cup holder is about $37. The Z Precision is about $46. The AJT you can also get on Amazon. Both of them are very good. The AJT makes it a little harder to install the center console, but it's not that hard. So if you want to save the $10, they both open up to about the same opening. You can go with the AJT. If you like being able to get to the switches a little better, the Z Precision might be the way you want to go. I'll link both of the products in the description. You can't really go wrong with either one. I think I'll keep the Z Precision one because that's the last one I installed. And I'll give the AJT one to a friend as a gift. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tacoma and overlanding related content. And we'll see you next time.